Alrighty. I'm gonna hydrate. If you like water, say me, sir. Okay, put this right over here. And everybody, good morning. Today we know Yogarate. We're going to have some fun. We're going to get huge and make our arms strong and our legs strong. Everybody, if you're listening, hands in the air. If you're listening, touch your nose. If you're listening, touch your knees. If you're listening, say cheese, please. Cheese, why do you want cheese? Are you a bunch of mice? Yeah. Okay, my name is Yensei. Everybody say hi, Scruffy. Scruffy, say hi. Hi. Oh, okay. All right. And everybody, let's start the class by showing respect. Attention. Yes, sir. Good job. Stick your nose up in the air. Big belly breath in. Courtesy. Respect. Awesome. And we're going to start by playing a game called the Wiggles. So I want you to wiggle all different parts of your body. So everybody wiggle one hand. Wiggle one hand, 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 wiggle one hand. Freeze. And wiggle the other hand, 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 wiggle the other hand. Freeze. Good job. Let's wiggle both hands, 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 wiggle both hands. Freeze. Good job. Everybody wiggle one arm, bring it up. And wiggle one arm, bring it up. And we're going to bring it up, and go the other way, bring it down, other way, bring it up, oh, okay, ready, everybody go like this, wiggle your hand there, wiggle your hand there, wiggle your hands out here, wiggle your hands out here, and then freeze. Everybody, can you wiggle one leg? Let me see you wiggle one leg, go one leg, going. Everybody, I want for the money, now that you guys remember Elvis, nothing? It's all right. Okay, ready, wiggle your foot, wiggle your foot, and wiggle your foot, wiggle your foot, wiggle your foot, and wiggle your foot, wiggle your foot, wiggle your foot, and wiggle your foot, wiggle your foot, and keep wiggling your foot, and everybody wiggle everything up with this. Take a belly breath. Scruffy, you gonna take a belly breath with us? Alright, everybody, big belly breath in. Make your belly really big. And breathe out, make your belly really small. One more time, make your belly really big. And breathe out, make your belly really small. There you go. You hear Scruffy. He's doing a lot of breathing, a lot of barking. Alright, and let's do the next thing. Let's do some goofy stretching. Everybody, wiggle your head like this, wiggle your head like this, wiggle your head like this, wiggle your head like this. First, bring your head over. And over, and over, and over, and over, and over, freeze! And put your hands up like this. Put your hands up like this. Touch your knees. Touch your nose. Touch your knees. Touch your nose. Touch your nose. Hand like this. Big belly breath in. And everybody, just roll your shoulders forward. And roll your shoulders back. How you doing, sir? Just drop it right there. That's fine. Some FedEx guy came to join us on our show today. There you go. Scruffy! Here, come here. Come to this one. You can yell at him from this one. Oh, you hear that voice? Come on, big belly, come up like here, up here. Good boy, there you go. Now you can look at everybody. Awesome. And everyone say hi, Scruffy. He's good. He's got a bionic bark on him. And everybody, hands in there. And let's go out like this. If you love doggies, say, I love you, doggies. Oh, if you have a doggy near you, hug your doggy. Oh, I love my doggy. If you have your doggy, give your doggy a hug. I know your doggy must be loving all this time that you get to spend home with them. Oh, that's so cute. All right, here you go, buddy. Okay, I'll put you down right over here. Awesome sauce. Join in the class if you want, or, I guess you're joining in the class. Everybody, hands in the air. Jump like Scruffy. Jump like Scruffy. Jump like Scruffy. Jump, 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 jump. Good job. Now we're digging. Now we're digging on the ground. 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 And everybody, give your doggy a belly rub. Belly rub, belly rub. I don't know if you can see him. Belly rub. Okay. All right, Scruffy, I got to teach the class, okay? All right, awesome. Okay. And if you're listening, hands there. touch your nose. Let's do some energy hugs. Pull your hands apart just like this. Pull your hands apart like this. Pull your hands even more. Pull your hands even more. Feel that energy going back and forth in your hands. Everybody go like this. Say, I have the power. Good job. Give yourself an energy hug. Say, I love you, me. It's so important to love yourself. And pull your hands apart. Pull your hands apart. Pull your hands apart. And go like this. Feel that energy between your hands. Give your belly a hug. Everyone say, I love you, belly. Good job. And make a rainbow this way. Everyone go, hey, hey, hey. Everyone go, hi, hi, hi. Everyone go, ho, ho, ho. Are you Santa Clauses? Oh, I thought you are. Everybody go, hoo, hoo, hoo. Are you a bunch of owls? No, I don't even give a hoot. All right, let's do knee circles.
We're going to do little knee circles like this. Move your knees around a little like this.
And everybody, we're going to go back to this voice. I don't know how good it is. Nobody else does this. Actually, we're going to these around this and go the other way just like that.
And everyone, let's balance and start drumming on one leg. And the more you drum on one leg, the higher you can up. Drumming, 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 faster, faster. Drumming your leg till it gets faster, faster, faster. Putting the foot down. All right, good. Let's do the other leg. Ooh, that was good balance. And everybody start drumming, start drumming, start drumming. Def Leppard drumming. All right, some of you got that. And like that. And put your foot down. Awesome. And let's do some karate. We're going to review a bunch of different things that we did over the last couple of classes. So everybody, if you're listening, hands in there. If you're listening, touch your nose. If you're listening, step 1 foot back. If you're listening, hands up in front. Everybody go, Ayah! Awesome. Let's do the duck song. Ready, set, go. Bring your bottom to the ground, to the ground, to the ground. Bring your bottom to the ground. Karate duck, Ayah! Awesome. I'm going to try to bop you. I want you to do your duck. Ready? And duck. Oh, I got you. Ready? Good duck. Ready? Duck. One more time. Duck. I like the way that you're going under my duck. High block song. Ready, set, go. High block to the sky. High block, way up high. Ayah! Nice job. Now I'm going to try to bop you on top of your head and catch my hand with your high block. Ready? So catch my hand. Ready? And block it. And block it. Do a double block. Good. I like the way you guys did a block like that. All right, let's do the cover to protect the side of our head. Ready, set, go. Run your fingers through your hair. Put them by your ear. Cover, cover everywhere. One more time we cheer. Everyone go, Ayah! All right, now I'm going to grab onto a super strong bat. And I'm going to maybe try to hold on and try to smash you on the side with it. Protect your body with your cover. Go like that. Ready? Here we go. Whoa, 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 smash. Oh, I see. I like the way you did the cover. Good job. Here, other side. Whoa, 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 smash. Good job doing the cover. Whoa, 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 smash. Good, other side. Whoa, 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 smash. All right, now I'm going to use 2 big bats, and then I want you to do a double cover. Ready? Whoa, 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 smash! Nice double cover. That was awesome. Give yourself a high five. Good job. All right, step 1 foot back like this. Last one we're going to do is the middle block. Ready? Protecting your belly. You can do a middle block in front of your belly. Let's do that first. Ready? Spaghetti, peanut butter and jelly, go. Swat, 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 middle block. 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 So if someone's trying to bop you in your belly, you hit it just like that. Now we're going to do a pock to the face, and we'll protect our face. And moms and dads and everyone else that's watching on the YouTube Yogarate show, on the YouTube channel, there are 25 different versions of the songs and the techniques and the things that we do so that you can do it on different backgrounds. Ready, stand, go. Ayah! Let's do it one more time. This time, you're going to protect your face. Someone's trying to pop in your face. Go like this, or you can protect your body. Whatever you want to do. Ready, set, go. Swat, swat, swat. Middle block. Swat, swat, swat. Middle block. Switch. Swat, swat, swat. Middle block. Swat, swat, swat. Middle block. Go, ayah! All right, good job. Ready? Sun Salutation. You can do it in a regular voice,
Or you can do it in a silly fun voice.
like this. Okay. All right, ready? Big belly breath in. Big belly breath out. I shape a circle. Then one more. Breathe in. Breathe out. I fold in half and touch the floor. Breathe in. Breathe out. Oh, I hear some horses coming. Everybody ready? Oh, the precious horses, the horses. And everybody put your hands on your knees and stretch your neck out like this. And ready? Everybody breathe in. And I want to hear a horse noise. Oh, I love your cowboy hat. That's awesome. Ready? Breathe in. Yep, I'm talking to you. And come on and go. One more time, big belly breath in. And go neigh. Awesome. And hands on the ground. I kick my feet back. Good job. And drop right away. You don't have to drop right away, but you can if you want. All right, now I pull myself forward.
I pull myself forward and I let out a hiss.
So we're going to make a snake noise. Everybody breathe in. And go. One more time, then this time make your belly even bigger. Breathe in. Look all the way, stretch your body up. Feel how good that back stretch feels. Moms and dads, you should be trying this. Breathe out. Ah, just like that. I lift my bottom to the sky. Like a doggy, like this. Good thing I'm not auditioning for SNL. And breathe in. And everyone go woof, 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 woof. I drop to my knees and I breathe dragon's fire. Everybody stick out your dragon tongue, pull it in. Stick out your dragon tail, flap it around and pull it in. And if your body's getting tired, if you're learning how to do this, breathe in and go. Roar. Let's do the other side. Stick out your dragon tongue, bring it in. Stick out your dragon tail, flap it around, bring it in. Curl your body, breathe in. Dragon fire. Roar.
And I'll curl up like a little mouse. Breathe in. Squeak, 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 squeak.
Or try the mouse noise, suck in through your teeth. Put your teeth together and go. Just like that, like you're sucking through a straw, but there's no straw there. Try it again. There you go. I stand up tall, like a big strong house. Everybody show me a massage. And go like this, and go like this. And like this, and do the robot, and everybody freeze. And big belly breath in. Today, we're gonna learn a new kind of breathing. Oh, go fix my hat. Everybody grab a drink. Cheers, good old fashioned water. Fluoride free. Ah, terrific. And we're gonna sit crisscross. Applesauce. I like the way you're sitting crisscross applesauce. I like the way you're sitting crisscross applesauce. Awesome. There you go. I like the way whoever's helping you is adjusting the TV. Okay, so we're going to do something called cold breathing. And the cold breathing is going to relax our bodies and cool us down. So take your tongue, stick it out with this boom. Okay, now take your tongue, put it behind the back of your bottom teeth, like this. So these are my top teeth, and these are my bottom teeth. So do I want you to put your tongue by your top teeth or your bottom teeth? So like this. Now, everybody say wav. Say true wav. Everyone say Princess Buttercup. Okay, good. Alright, so take your tongue, put it behind the back of your bottom teeth. And now breathe in with your mouth like this. And then breathe out. And breathe in with your mouth. And breathe out with your mouth. When you breathe in with your mouth, do you feel like cold air going over your throat and into your body, cooling you down? If you feel that, raise your hand. Say, me, sir. All right, awesome. Okay, and we're going to do a little bit of stretching. So everybody just open up your feet just like this to the side. I don't know if you can see my feet. If you can, you can. If you can't, you can't. I'm going to scoochie my boochie. Scoochie my boochie. Scoochie my boochie. Okay, and we're going to stretch to one side, and we're going to hold it for 10, okay? So everybody, we're going to go down to our left side. So everybody go like this. Grab onto your foot. Let's hold it for 10. Help me count. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Banana. What? I didn't say banana. What are you talking about? I don't think you... Were you being a good paying attentioner and a good listener and a good listener? Were you? Okay, let's do it this side. I want to see. So we're going to go down to our right side. Your hands up like this. Ready? And reach down. Everybody count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Banana. Okay, good job. So you guys have been doing... What? What are you talking about? I didn't say banana. Are you being silly? All right, I want everyone to open your listening ears. Everybody, clean out your ears. Clean out your ears. Just like that. All right, so I want everyone to pay attention. We're going to go down towards the middle, and we're really, really going to listen, because I don't know what you're talking about. I think you kids are bananas. B-A-N-A-N-A-N-A-N-A-N-A-N-A-N-A-N-A-N-A-S. All right, let's reach down towards the middle. Ready? 1, 2, listen, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Orange. Orange? Orange, you glad I didn't say banana? Everybody stand up and say yes, sir. All right, let's do one more thing. And here are my sunballs and my fireballs, and I'm going to throw them at you, and I just want you to block them. So you can do a high block, you can do a middle block in front of your face, you can do a middle block to your body, you can do duck, whatever you want. Ready? Hands up, everybody, go, ayah! All right, and duck. Ready, duck. Ready? All right, do whatever you want. Now, I'm not going to tell you, do whatever you want. You can block or duck. Here we go. Everybody, big belly breath in. Big belly breath out. Take a cold breath. Put your tongue behind the back of your bottom teeth. And breathe out. Ready? Here we go. Oh, you weren't paying attention. I just got you. Nice. Oh, here we go. We're going to finish off with these. And then that's it. All right. Here we go. Hands up, everybody go, ayah! Everyone say, I have the power! All right, here we go. Ready, set, go. Block. Show me how to block with your hand. Ready? Nice job. You did so good. If you did a great job, say, me, sir. All right, awesome. Hands in your belly. Big belly breath in. Big belly breath out. Awesome. And everybody, hands behind your back. We start the class. I like this one. We start the class the same way we end the class, by showing nice, respect. Good job. Attention, yes, sir. Courtesy, respect. And remember how we end the class? NamastAHYAH! Awesome job today, everyone. No more Zoom calls. Only, except for Friday's the last one, and then from now on, it's going to be on Facebook, my Ron Speak page, and Instagram, where you just type in my name. So just in case you're still on Zoom, I appreciate you. We're going to do one more Zoom call on Friday. Other than that, starting next week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 10 a.m. Eastern Time, Facebook and Instagram.